Revolutionize your finances with 5 AI tips. Are you tired of trying to manage your finances on your own? Well, it's time to bring some artificial intelligence into the mix and revolutionize your financial life. Here are 5 easy tips on how to use AI to improve your finances. Tip number 1, use a budgeting app that leverages AI to track your expenses. There are several apps like Mint, Albert, and Clarity Money that use AI to categorize your expenses and provide you with a clear picture of where your money is going. Tip number 2, utilize a robo-advisor for your investments. Instead of hiring an expensive financial advisor, consider using a robo-advisor that uses AI algorithms to manage your investments. Some popular options include Betterment, Wealthfront, and M1 Finance. Tip number 3, use an AI-powered financial assistant to save you money. Apps like Trim, Truebill, and BillShark can monitor your bills and subscriptions, negotiate lower rates for you, and even cancel unused subscriptions on your behalf. Tip number 4, use an AI-powered credit monitoring service that can help you improve your credit score. Credit Karma and Credit Sesame are 2 popular options that can monitor your credit report, give you personalized recommendations on how to improve your score, and even provide you with suggestions for credit cards that you're more likely to be approved for. Tip number 5, use AI-powered fraud detection to protect your finances. Apps like CreditWise and Identity Force use AI to monitor your financial accounts and alert you to any suspicious activity. By incorporating these 5 AI tips into your financial life, you can save money, grow your investments, and protect your finances from fraud. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks.